Welcome to our ice maker battle. Today, we're comparing two popular countertop ice makers, the ecozy Nugget Ice Maker and the Igloo self-cleaning countertop ice maker. We'll dive into their features, performance, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. When it comes to ice production, the ecozy Nugget Ice Maker stands out with an impressive capacity of 33 pounds of chewable pellet ice per day. This makes it ideal for parties and gatherings. In contrast, the Igloo model produces 26 pounds of ice daily, which is still substantial but may not meet the demands of larger events. Both machines offer self-cleaning features, ensuring convenience in maintenance. In terms of design, the ecozy Nugget Ice Maker boasts a modern stainless steel finish that adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen or bar. Its compact design makes it easy to fit on countertops. On the other hand, the Igloo Ice Maker features a clean white design that is both compact and portable, making it perfect for small spaces or outdoor use. Both designs are user-friendly, with intuitive controls. Price is always a crucial factor when making a purchase. The ecozy Nugget Ice Maker is priced at $199, reflecting its higher capacity and premium features. In contrast, the Igloo self-cleaning countertop ice maker is much more budget-friendly at $87, making it an attractive option for those looking for a reliable ice maker without breaking the bank. Ultimately, your choice may depend on your specific needs and budget. In conclusion, both the ecozy Nugget Ice Maker and the Igloo self-cleaning countertop ice maker have their unique strengths. If you prioritize high ice production and a sleek design, the ecozy model is the way to go. However, if you're looking for a more affordable and portable option, the Igloo Ice Maker is a great choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.